Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing boiled vegetable salad recipe. This salad is oil-free, it's vegan, it's healthy, filling. You can enjoy this boiled vegetable as a meal any time of the day. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make boiled vegetable salad, I'm making a healthy oil-free salad dressing, and for that I'm soaking 10 cashew nuts. So I'm going to soak this for about 5 to 10 minutes or until I get the vegetables ready. The vegetables I'm using are about 1.5 handfuls of fresh beans. These are tender beans. 3 carrots, medium-sized carrots. 1 medium-sized broccoli which I have cut into small florets like this. And I'm slicing the beans into 3 portions. Try to get fresh and tender green beans. Now instead of the vegetables I am showing, you can use any locally sourced vegetables which you have in season. Slice off both the ends and cut it into almost the same size of beans. Okay, now the beans and carrots are sliced, and this is the size which I have sliced. Beans and carrots are almost similar in size. To steam the vegetables, I am using a steamer, and I have already added some water in the steamer. And once the steam starts to come, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in the vegetables. Once steam starts to come, cover it with the lid and let it steam cook on low to medium flame for exactly 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, turn off the flame. To make the oil-free dipping sauce, into my stone grinder, I'm adding in half teaspoon whole black peppercorns, and I'm crushing the black peppercorns. And once the black peppercorns are ground, keep this aside. This will be about 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. You can increase or decrease black pepper to suit your taste. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in the soaked cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can also use soaked and peeled almonds. So I have measured 1/4 cup water, and into the chutney grinder, I'm adding in half of the measured 1/4 cup water. The other half, I'm keeping it aside. For some healthy gut-friendly probiotics, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Now instead of apple cider vinegar, you can use juice of half of a lemon. But if you use apple cider vinegar, which has the mother, you will get some healthy gut-friendly probiotics in your meal. Add in half of the ground black pepper powder. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Garlic cloves you can increase or decrease as per your preference. If you don't like the flavor of raw garlic, you can totally omit it. And now I'm going to blend all this really well. Pour the blended oil-free cashew dip into a bowl. As you can see, the cashew dip is slightly thick. So this is the consistency I prefer. However, if you feel you need more thinness, you can add in extra water which we have reserved. I used 1/8 cup of water in this recipe. My oil-free and vegan salad dressing or dip is ready. It's exactly 6 minutes now, so I'm turning off the flame and I'm opening the lid. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. The rest of the ground black pepper powder, and give it all a nice mix. So when you steam for 6 minutes, the vegetables will be cooked and will be tender. So that helps to retain a subtle crunch in the vegetables. If you add salt before it is steam cooked, the salt will draw out the moisture in the vegetables, and that will make the vegetables soggy and not crispy. So add salt only after the vegetables are cooked. You can check salt at this stage. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. As you can see, the vegetables are lightly coated with the salt and black pepper. I'm going to transfer this to a plate and transfer the salted and peppered vegetables into a plate. If you cook it for more than 6 minutes, the vegetables will lose its crunch. So keep an eye on the 6-minute mark. And lastly, for some added healthy fats, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds over the boiled vegetables. Sesame seeds will give a subtle crunch. It helps to balance your hormones, helps to keep your body warm, and also has natural healthy fats. And my super healthy, oil-free vegan boiled vegetable salad is ready to serve. You can either drizzle the vegan dressing over the salad or you can dip and enjoy. Since we are not using any oil, the healthy fats from the cashew nuts and the sesame seeds will help in nutrient absorption. So guys, do try this healthy boiled vegetable salad and let me know if you would like to see more healthy recipes like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.